Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm going to do a quick review of today's markets, and we're going to start with the pound yen. I'm just going to take off all of the topics for today, and we're going to see what the pound yen has been doing since yesterday. So we did mark up this zone of supply and demand around 149.8 to 148.8, 100 pip zone. And we saw very nice rejections off of there. But on the 1 hour time frame, we have been forming an area of consolidation, which means a lot of liquidity has been sitting around this area. This whole area is just sitting aside with a lot of liquidity. And we do know that when the markets move very fast, it is followed by a lot of sideways movement for the banks, for the institutions to take their profits. So right now, we have to be in a game of patience and see what the market is trying to show us. I will just show you guys some zones I'll be targeting. There isn't much to talk about since yesterday. This is the first zone I will be looking for. We have not shown much rejection from here, even though if this high holds and if we see another lower high form, we would be looking for short entries. We are still holding ourselves from the top. We might also see that the daily opens have been very bullish the past few days. So maybe if we do take out this 151.4 candle, we might continue a little bit longer bullish momentum. As for today, before New York opens, are we looking for any trade opportunities? Honestly, no. If we do take this low out, then we would be looking for shorts. If not, we would look to take these highs out for looking for long opportunities. I will jump into the pound dollar right now to show you guys what my thoughts are. We have been seeing the same exact movement. It is sitting around our zone we actually did mark up yesterday. And we're seeing the same thing. What we're seeing, I'll delete everything from the past, and we are seeing another consolidation block of price action being stuck somewhere happen after the big bearish movements we saw the last week. So right now, honestly, this is a time for waiting. This could be a zone or a point of interest, but that is only after these lows have been cleared. We need to see clear direction in the markets before we jump into positions, or else we're going to lose money. Other than that, we also have this low, which is holding as an equal low. If we do clear this out, we are still riding downstairs. On the 1 hour, what do we have waiting? Can we get entries today? It's the same as GJ. If we do take this low out, we might look for entries coming back here. If we take this high out, not this one, if we take this high out, we'll be looking for entries off of this area. That is for the pound dollar right now. I am not looking for any entries. I'll just be having another game of patience like we did 2 weeks earlier. And lastly, gold might give us some entries. Like I spoke, gold had a very interesting point after the bullishness around here. I'm going to delete everything from the past and see that after 1.618 was met, gold is coming back to this area of supply and demand. This whole area could be a very nice point of interest for gold, given the huge economic movements we're going to have due to the Fed Reserve conference we have from Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We might see some huge movements. Right now, though, it is making a small retracement downstairs. This could be the last high before we come down. So I will be looking for entries after we see this low get broken. If not, I will be looking for buy entries to keep riding it upstairs. That's all for gold for me. On the 4 hour, though, we might be setting up some nice entries. I would be looking at the 1.618, 61.8, and the 78.6 area, which is these around 1790 to 1780 area. This 100 pip zone is where I'll be looking for entries. The perfect entry would be 1782. We could ride it up till 1820. For the sell entries, we need to see the break of structure to understand if we can keep going lower below $1,700. In terms of the 1 hour, can we get any entries on the London session? I do not think so. Some people would like to get an entry off of here, but I would like to see a little bit more structure before I'm looking for entries. This could be played. Gold loves playing these areas. You could look for some smaller time frame price action to get buy entries off of this or this. This has been a very nice accumulation. So I will mark these two areas out for buy entries. If we do even look at the Fibonacci levels, we see it's a very nice 61.8. So finally for gold, this one area, which is your 1788 to 1786 area, or finally the 1785 to 1776, 100 pip area could be the entries for buy opportunities. That is all for today, 25th August 2021. There isn't much to talk about since it is a game of patience. Cardano has been making some nice rejection. We're still holding. Ethereum too has been making some nice retracement. We'll be holding all of these. And if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. Feel free to email us. Happy trading day to you. Follow proper risk management. Always remember, you will optimize for big profits, small loss, and break even. Never go for big losses, because big losses will wipe your account away. Follow proper risk management. And happy Wednesday to all of you. Thank you.